open the MATLAB software. So it will take some time. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So using the MATLAB SIMULINK, we can do multiple mathematical operations, logical operations. Okay, so when it comes to the mathematical, you can do differentiation, integration, any type of calculations. You can do it in the SIMULINK library. Okay, so just you can use that particular blocks, and you can build, connect each other, and you can obtain the outputs. Okay, like this you can design the blocks in the SIMULINK library. So it is taking such a long time. Okay, yes. So when you open the MATLAB, it opens the scripting part. So here you need to select the SIMULINK library, or else you can just type SIMULINK in the command window. Both are correct. Okay, first I will take the new script. Okay, so and one more thing is select the folders. So where you have created in the desktop desktop folder, go to the desktop. So yes, so here we have created the MATLAB programs folder. Select that folder. Done. So the path is selected now. Here there are like all the programs which I have done in the last class, and saved it. Okay, so now here you need to open the SIMULINK library. Here we will just do the scripting part. So where we will write the programming language. Okay, using the programming language you will write the some operations in here, and you will execute. For that purpose we use this MATLAB scripting. So then there is another one tool that is called SIMULINK. Okay, SIMULINK, go to the homes. So here you will find the SIMULINK library. Directly you can click here, or else just you can type SIMULINK in the command window. Just type SIMULINK. So wait for some time. It will take to start. Okay, so it will take some time to start. Since it is a vast library, very big library, so it will take some time. and check before starting. So your laptop RAM processor should be high. Okay, so if you have any 4 GB 6 GB means it will lag very much, very much lagging while building the building the blocks, okay, executing, running. So on that time it will lag. So to avoid that, use better and new OS laptops. So basically the Simulink library is a graphical simulation tool, okay, where you can do modeling, simulating, analyzing the systems, okay, using blocks instead of writing the code, okay. So in the MATLAB scripting, so in this tool you writing the program, okay, embedded C language, you are writing the program and you are executing the same. But when it comes to the MATLAB Simulink, there you will use the blocks, okay. So blocks for different operations, for addition, subtraction, multiplications. There will be a multiple operating blocks in the MATLAB Simulink, okay. Yes, we got the MATLAB Simulink library here. So to open a new block, new model, so just click here. It says new model. Just click here. It will open the new model, empty model. So same in the MATLAB scripting, you are opening new scripting file. Here you will open new model. So here you can build the blocks, okay. So first write down the definition of the Simulink. So I will write the explanation now. So take down. Simulink is a graphical simulation tool used for modeling, okay, comma, simulating, comma, and analyzing systems using block instead of writing code. Okay, so this is a definition of Simulink, MATLAB Simulink. Okay, take down. So don't write like this in your model, okay. I am just writing for your reference, so you should note down this information in your notebooks, okay. So here in the Simulink you will create models. So what is the purpose of the Simulink means? Here you will create the models. Sorry. So in the Simulink library you will create models. So what are the models you are using is like it will be like blocks. So blocks which includes sensors, motors, displays, okay, all these will be in the block formats. So first to create the create a complete project you need blocks, okay. In that blocks there will be like sensors, motors, displays and all. So after selecting the blocks, then you need to connect them each other, okay, connect the blocks. So after this just you need to give the details, give the details or ratings or anything values to that block and click on execution block, okay. That's the final. So here you will give you will edit the parameters, edit parameters and compile or run, compile, run, okay. Like this there are multiple steps when it comes to the MATLAB Simulink. So I will show the first block simulation, so in the Simulink. So after that we can continue with the different types of equations. So now I will show simple blocks. So already we have discussed in the basic classes when you are doing the introduction of the Simulink library. I already shown you how to build the blocks, connect the blocks and all. So I will not go in the basic level. So I will start from the medium level, okay. So here for taking the blocks you need to just click on the library icon here, library browser. So here you will get the multiple blocks, so you can take any blocks, so based on the operations. So first operations we will do the, like I will give the task. The equation 1, okay, equation 1 is a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. So here I need to write the okay, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. This is the equation. Now we will solve this equation using the blocks. First we need a variable blocks, that is a, okay. So for that variable we need to take the constant blocks that will be inside the sources. Go to the sources and select the block from here. So this is the a block, okay. So equation, see this equation, write down this equation. This is the first example, okay. So a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, okay. So now I will zoom in. So we got the a, okay. Then again we need one more variable called b. So for that I will copy the same blocks and paste it here. Copy paste the block, or else you can just right click, drag the block, place it here. Yes, we got the block. What you need to copy the block means just right click on the mouse, drag it, you will get one more. Okay, select it, right click, drag, the same block will be copied. Okay, like this you can copy the multiple blocks. Here we need only 2 blocks. Okay, that's why we will delete remaining blocks. This is A and this is B. Okay, first you need to do A square. Okay, then you need to do B square, then it will show the output. Okay, A plus B whole square. What is the A plus B whole square, like that? Okay, so for that but for the squaring the variable we need the gain block. So gain block you will find it in the math operations. Go to the math operations. So here you will find the gain block. Okay, you can drag the block to the model, or else just you can right click here and you can click on add block. Okay, so there are 2 methods. So just keep the block here and connect like this. I will connect this one. See here, click here and point towards this block. That's the connection. Okay, so now this is the A square, this is the B square. We need to add these variables. For that we need add block. Okay, so here we got the add block. In the math operation there is a add block here. Okay, take that one, place it here. So this is a A, this is a B. So just I will mention it A. Here you can name it as B. Okay, A and B. So we need to square this A. Okay, so for that gain will be 2. Gain block value will be 2. Double click on the gain block, give the value here, gain 2. That means it will increment the A. It will increment the A with 2 times. Okay, like that. Again here 2. Okay. Okay, so after this we need to add these 2 values. Here we got A square plus B square. Okay, so in this line you can give the name for this line. Just double click. Okay, then you can A square or A power 2. Okay, so then double click on this line. Okay, here B to the power of 2, B square, here A square. Then this line. Here in the output side you can give some display to display the value. Okay, for that go to the sinks. These are the output devices. Here you can take displays, okay, scope or anything. So I will take the display block, place it here, connect this one to display. Done. So now we will give the A value. Just double click on this block, give A value as 6, apply. Okay, so now the A value is 6. Here it will comes 6 square. Okay, 6 square. Then here I will give 10, apply. Okay, so here 10 square, A square plus B square is equal to, so now we will see what is the answer here. Okay, so after this you need to save the file. Okay, before saving go to the desktop. Okay, go to the desktop. Here we have created the MATLAB programs. Okay, so then you need to create one more folder called MATLAB SIMULINK. Okay, so create one more folder here in the desktop. Create one folder, name it as MATLAB SIMULINK files. Okay, SIMULINK files. Enter. So on the desktop you need to create MATLAB Simulink files where you will save all the Simulink models. Okay, so now we need to save this model. Click on save, go to the desktop, select the MATLAB Simulink files. Here you need to give the names. Okay, so now we are doing the addition, so that's why I will name it as addition, add. Okay, add, and here the file extension will be .slx. The MATLAB scripting there is an extension called .m. Okay, here the extension is .slx. Always when you are opening the MATLAB file means you should open it through the MATLAB software. It will not open directly. Okay, so here the file extension is .slx. Okay, then click on save. Okay, now this model is saved as add. Okay, here it is showing add. Okay, so after this just you can click on run option, the model will execute. Here it will show the status. Okay, so it is showing compiling. So after compiling it will run. Okay, so here the answer is 32. Okay, a square plus b square. Sorry, here like sorry, so this is a gain block. It will like multiply into 2. That's why we are shown here 32. Okay, so here just I will make it as 6. Okay, here I will make it as 10. Then it will become 6 square and 10 square. Sorry, okay, math operation. Yes, so you can do like this also. Okay, so you can directly give the square. Okay, and then you can calculate like this. Okay, or else you can just give 2 here. Okay, 10 2 here. Okay, like this. You can use only single block. Okay, so here I have not incremented the input signal, just I have given the 6 square. Okay, here 10 square, done, 10 square. So after addition it will, the answer is 136. And also you can add the display here also directly to this gain block. Okay, so you can check what is the output here. Okay, and you can check the what is the output here. Just you can copy this display block and connect it to the after the gain block. Okay, like this you can check the output from anywhere in the circuit. Okay, so here we will check the output. run one more time. Yes, so here it is showing 36, here it is showing 100. So in the output side, so when the 36 and 100 is added, so you will get 136. Okay, like this you can build the mathematical operation blocks in the MATLAB Simulink. Okay. So after this we will solve one more equation. Okay na? So this equation as I told you. Okay, so a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Both are same. Okay, b whole square. You can do any mathematical operations. Then we will execute one more blocks. Okay, so let us try okay, so we will take one more file. Okay, how to take it means go to the file, click on new. Okay, so here you should select model, new model. Yes, so now try to build the block. I will give the equation. So the equation is, I will type the equation here. Okay, so let us find the output using 2a plus 3b minus 4c plus 5d is equal to y. Y is the answer. Answer means it is a display. Okay, so you should find the y value. So you build these blocks. Okay, so try your own. So I will show the answers in 2 minutes. Okay, so start this equation. Try to build this equation, 2a plus 3b minus 4c plus 5d. So here the 2 is a value number, a is the variable. Okay, you can take any value for the a. Okay, okay, I will show you. See here. So first we need to take the constant blocks. These are the constant blocks. So here you can just copy these blocks like this. We got how many variables? We got 4 variables. Okay, so you need to take 4 times, copy these constant blocks. Yes, so first we have 2 into a. Okay, 2 into a is nothing but first one you need to make it as 2. Okay, then a, so a value let us consider it as 6 or 4 or anything. Okay, 6, I will give the 6 value. So I will make it this constant block as a. Okay, so this one is a. Next 3 b, so this one is a b. B value let us consider b value as 4. Okay, done. So first we will solve from till here. So after we will continue here this 2. Okay, so first 2 into a, here there is a product multiplication. We need to take the sum block here. Dot block is also correct, or else you can go for product here. This one is also correct. Okay, so 2 into a, 2a means 2 into 6 here. Okay, so we need to multiply these two blocks. Then again here 3b, 3b means 3, and this is a b variable. B means we have taken 4. Okay, we need to multiply these two. Okay, so after this between these two there is a add block. Okay, we need to take the add block here. Okay, connect this output with the add block. Okay, now like this, keep it here. Okay, we will solve the equation like this. Okay, then we have minus 4c. 4c again, take next constant blocks here. Okay, and we need another one, that is c value. Okay, 4 minus 4c. Okay, 4 value here. Then we will give the c value as 8. So I will give the c value as 8. Okay, so we need to multiply these two. So I will give the like this. Okay, so this one 4c, and here we need to subtract. Okay, so after adding these two we need to subtract here. Okay, or else you can add 5d also for this block. Okay, now we will take the subtract block. Here there is a subtract block, so we will take it here. So one input should be from this side, and here negative. Okay, so after this there is 5d. 5d we will also calculate this one. So this one is a 5, and d, this block is d. So d value, let us consider it as 2. D value I will give it as 2. Okay, so after all this we need to like add. Here there is a positive addition sign, so we need to take the add block. Okay, place it here. Here you can make it like there is a plus minus. You can change it to plus minus also. Okay, minus is this one, single, minus 4c. Okay, so we will put plus, click on OK. Okay, so here you need to just interchange the pins. Okay, so I will remove this pin and connect it like this. Okay, so this one also remove it, connect it like this. Then we will connect this one to here. Okay, so equation is complete here. This is a 2a, 3b. Okay, and here minus 4c, so we have used the subtraction. Okay, then last one 5d, plus 5d, that is here 5d. Okay, so don't get confused. These are 2a positive, 3b, that is also positive. This one is 4c. 4c is negative, that's why we have used subtraction here. Okay, then we have we have included all the 4 variables. Okay, so after that we will use display. For display, go to the things, take the display block, okay, connect it like this. So here it will show the output. This is the y value. Okay, y is the answer. Okay, so let us save this file. Save it as equation 1. Equation 1. So go to the desktop, select the MATLAB Simulink files. So here we have already executed one file, that is add block. Okay, so give the name as equation 1, click on save. So now the model is saved, click on run button. So it will execute and here it will show the answers. Okay, so here the answer is -1. So calculate like this: 2 6 are 12 here. Okay, 3 4 12. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Okay, so here we got the 24 value, and here 5 plus 2, that is 7. So here 4 8 like 4 into 8. Okay, so that will be subtracted. Okay, so same you can try it in the calculators. So a value, put the a value, b value and c value. Okay, that is 2 into 6. Okay, then plus 3 into b value is 4 plus 4 here we need to put minus. Okay, 3 into 4. After that we need to put minus 4 into 8. Okay, then plus 5 into 2, 5d. Okay, so here we will get the final answer like this, -1. So calculate now. 7 plus 24 plus minus 32. Okay, 7 plus 24 minus 32. Okay, you will get the answers. y1 plus y2 minus y3, okay, is equal to y. Check it. So when you type the correct same thing in the calculator, it will show the exact value. 7 plus 24 minus 32. Okay, so by this you can solve the simple mathematical operations. So we will try one more equation, then we will come to know what is the exact thing in the MATLAB Simulink. Okay, so take the new model, just you can click here directly. This is a shortcut icon. So let us try it as a square plus b square, sorry, okay, a square plus b square plus 3 plus a to the power of 6 minus b to the power of 2, okay, is equal to y. Let us execute this one, okay. So try to build the blocks by your own, okay. So also for today's class I will share some assignment questions based on these equations. Try to build the blocks in the MATLAB SIMULINK. So here we need a block, okay, then the value 2, sorry, the b variable, this is a a variable, then this is a b variable, that's all, a and b. So a, let us consider the a as 5, b value let us consider as 6. These are the constant blocks, whatever the value you give, that's the value of the block, okay. So here we are, this block value is 5, then we need to increment it 2 times, okay. So for that we need a gain block. Go to the math operations, take gain block, okay. Whenever you are squaring, so always you should use the gain block. Here we need to multiply it into 2, okay. So here all the details of the blocks will be there, you can see here, okay. Okay, then click on OK. So then here the b square, so here also we should increment it as 2, b and 2. So here we got the a square, b square, so we need to add these two. For addition we need to use the add block here. You can take the add block from here and you can directly connect it to gain blocks like this, okay, like this. So we have added a square plus b square. Now there is a value called 3, so take the constant block. So this one is let us name it as constant block, okay, or else you can name it as number also. So here we need to take 3 value, click on OK. So this is add, this is also addition, okay. So then we have one more, okay. So here there is a number, so here again a to the power of 6, okay. For that you need to take the gain block, place it here, gain block value will be 6, click on OK. Here the gain inputs is a, okay. So that's why you need to connect here, here a square output, here we got a to the power of 6, that is 5 to the power of 6, like that, okay. So after this the next one is b minus b square, okay. So for that again you should take gain block, and here input for the gain block is b, okay. B is the input here, just directly you can connect it like this, okay. Yes, so here b square, nothing is changed. So this is the equation now, okay. A square plus b square plus 3 plus a to the power of 6 minus b square, done. Yes, this is the addition, okay. So keep the add block here. First one is addition, second one is addition, third one is also addition, I think, okay. So here we need to add extra 2 signs, that is positive, negative. Last one will be negative, okay. So this one b square is a negative, that's why we have given plus 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 minus. 4 signs. You can edit the blocks like this. Okay, so what are the operations you need? That operations can be done in a single blocks. So now we have completed a square plus b square plus 3. Okay, we need to calculate these two. A is a to the power of 6 minus b to the b square. Okay, so a to the power of 6 means here we need to add this a b to the power of 6 to here. Okay, connect it like this. Then we have b square. B square is negative. So connect it like this, b square. Okay, minus. So now we have completed with the all the things. So here in this signal we will get a square plus b square, a square plus b square. Okay, so here we will get the a to the power of 6, and in this line we will get b to the power b square. Okay, b square, sorry. So these are the signals now. So we'll display the same value in the output. Take the display model, place it here, connect these two blocks. Okay, so this is the like solved equation blocks, simplified. Okay, a square plus b square, a square plus b square, 3 a to the power of 6 b square. Done. So let us save this as equation 2. Equation 2. Go select the folder MATLAB SIMULINK files, save. So after this, click on run button. Okay, the answer is 43, and you can place the displays for whether the output of this block, what is the output of a square plus b square, like that. Also you can connect it like this, what is the b, a to the power 6 value, and you can check what is the like a b square value and all. Okay, so here we got a square plus b square means 22, and a to the power of 6, that is 30, and b square is value 12. Okay, so try to build the blocks for different formulas or equations or anything. So there in the MATLAB scripting we have written programs. Okay, we have written the programs, and we have executed the same program, but here we are building the blocks. We are not writing any programming part and all. We are doing we are executing the same operation through the different tool or else different method. Okay, so when if you need any extra device or extra operations for the model, means you need to take one more blocks, not writing the program and all. Okay, so here there will be no programming part, so you need to take only blocks, and you need to build those. Okay, and here there are like multiple topics. So now we'll make a subsystem. So here you are seeing multiple blocks. Okay, so you can avoid this and you can simplify the model. How to simplify the model? You need to use a method called subsystems. So for that, what you should do means you should select the area. So what you should reduce the complexity. Okay, so I will select this part, and here it is showing create subsystem. Okay, so after selecting, go to the end of the blocks. Okay, so first select this block, and here it will show create subsystem, create enabled systems, create triggered systems, create function call, comment it, and create area, whatever. Okay, so here you need to click create subsystem. So if you click on that, means it will comes into single block. Okay, all the block which you have connected will be inside this block. Okay, that is called as subsystem. So when you double click this block means the whatever the circuit you are designed will be seen here. Okay, again when you need to go back to the old part means just you can click here equation 2 in your programs. Okay, so it will show like this. You can you can make a simple two block systems, one subsystem, one display, that is also enable. Okay, so before selecting this much, so I will integrate this block also. Okay, whole system to a single subsystem. Okay, so select whole system and click on create subsystem. You will get only two blocks, one subsystem, one display, that's all. So just you can run the simulation and you can obtain the output. Okay, all the system will be inside this one here. This is called as subsystem. So what's the need and what's the benefit of this block means? So here it will simplify the model. Okay, so it will the visibility will be good. Okay, there will be no complex, it will be simple. Okay, and when you are building the projects and all, so this will be like main important thing. Okay, so when you are doing project, there will be multiple systems when it covers all of the lot of the screens. Okay, to avoid that we will make one operation into subsystem. Okay na? So inside that subsystem there will be again one block. So if you need one more subsystem, so to reduce this block means again you can select some part of this model and you can make it as subsystem here also. Okay, so like this, inside the subsystem there will be a subsystem. Okay, like this this will be not done for a simple blocks. Okay, so this will be only used in like complex projects level. Okay, so I will show it in a inbuilt examples. So there you can see how they are subsystem mask. There is a option called masking also, so where you can give the inputs. Okay, so here we are giving A and B separately, but when you mask the whole system, so just you can double click and give the values. Like for example, so if you click on this block, it will show the value here. Okay, so directly you can build a block and you can just double click and give the input value whatever you need. Okay, so for the A value I am clicking A, for the B value I will click B. Okay, so that will be avoided. Okay, just a single block, it will show A value, B value, C value, whatever it is. Okay, so all the values you can give it in a single block. That is also available. That topic is called as masking. Okay, so for the project levels, I will have all the things. Okay, so I will show one example models. Okay, so then you will come to know what is the exact whatever the subsystem, masking, okay, sampling and all. So for that you need to click on the documentations. So here it will go to the documentation and there will be a multiple examples. So you can open open any projects and you can see the whatever the design is. Okay, so 1 minute I will show it. So it will take some time. Wait for that. Yes, so here there is a examples. Okay, click on models. Okay, so here we got multiple options here. Okay, so here there are SIMULINK examples. Click here, it will show some examples related to the SIMULINK library. Okay, so here there are variety of projects already which are built. Okay, so you can select open any project you need. Okay, so we will search for electronics related projects here. So there are mechanical projects, there are aeronautical projects, we are designing projects. Okay, here there is a project called vehicle electrical systems. Okay, so let us open this project and we will see, explore what's the project level modeling and all. Okay, click on open project. Okay, so here there is a lot of information about the project. Open this project, click on open this project. Yes. Okay, so yes, so this is a project. So it is of vehicle electrical systems. Okay, there will be like motors, lighting systems. Okay, capacitors, resistors, grounds, power supplies, all the things inbuilt each other. Okay, so here let us see the output. So like torque, current, so graphs will be obtained from the model. Okay, here we will get DC voltage, power supply, DC current. Okay, all the things. When it comes to the vehicles, there will be like all the output device, multiple output device, like whether it can be lighting purpose, sound purpose. Okay, anything. Yes, so you can just double click here and it will show the output voltage. Okay, like this. So here the output voltage is 12 volts, that is nearly 12 volts DC voltage. Okay, 12.8 something else, 12 to 12.8. This is a DC. Okay, not AC. This is a DC voltage, output voltage. Okay, like this, 12.8 to 12 hertz. So it will be slightly variations. Okay, it is a pulsating, you can call it as pulsating DC voltage. Okay, it is around 12.6. okay, 12 volts, like that. So we'll check one more simulation model. So there you can see multiple of multiple blocks with subsystems or anything. Okay, yes, so let us check this one. So click on open these examples. Yes, so here you can see there is a simple model, but when you open this subsystem, there will be a large circuit inside that. Okay, so just I will click here, see here. Okay, so there is another one block here. When you double click here, again there is an systems here. Okay, like this, it will take multiple subsystems when it comes to the project. Okay, to avoid the complexity, they will design a block. Inside that they will design the circuits. Okay, all the blocks will be integrated with the simple circuits. This one, okay, like this. So when it comes to the project level, you will use these type of options. Okay, for the simple model, just you can design without a subsystem. So you can explore more examples in the MATLAB documentations. There will be a lot of informations. You can check it. Okay. So equation 2. Now after this class, I will share some assignment questions in the Google Classroom. I will share this. So I will share about 10 equations. Try it. Okay. Try to build the models, Simulink models, and try to execute them. Okay. Done.